Excuse me.
Somewhat. 3 weeks. Came in hospital the other a couple weeks ago.
Where did Hollywood go? Or he's gone already?
Yeah. You hear about this?
Hey, you got a little tummy on you there, buddy.
Baby in there. Baby planning on blowing up fish. And they drop it in water and
He's starting to talk to baby.
So you're kind of watching, you know,
He must have knew we were coming, huh? Did you scare him? Jerry ate Tony. Boy, it's cool down here. Monkey, monkey, fireman.
You whipped it. So you do it. Got it?
Watch so don't get on the toes. Okay. Okay, let's get to the park. You know it is 4 o'clock. Well, this is the furnace. Laundry room. Storeroom. Oh, how dark this is gonna be, but thought I'd just do it while I'm here. Pretty soon I'll have to put in the other film.
What kind of light?
I got a hangover, you
I'm doing the... Just got new carpet. Hallway here. Middle bedroom.
And what I did was I took some of the paint and some drywall mud and mixed it together and rolled it on. And I kind of got yeah, so yeah, I had
I've been wanting to do this, you know, ever since.
Been here a whole 10 minutes and you're ready to do it.
No, I mean ever since they were here, before they get out of here.
I was gonna put shower doors in here and put a shower in, but then I thought, well, we got a shower downstairs. If we have a baby, it'd be a lot easier to give a baby a bath in a tub instead of crawling through shower doors and stuff.
There, now I'm gonna be in the movie.
That helps.
Oh, Ariel, can I finish writing Herbie a letter?
Yeah.
Sexy Joan. Ooh, look at her. Hi, Mom. Sexy mother, 60 years old. Just think you can look like that, Joan, in 30 years, 29.
He's thinking 40 years, I'll be 100. Drive 100, because yeah.
And we got another fish.
She doesn't like to fish though.
Two hot men on the beach.
Yeah. Find your rock. Gavin? Keep your eye on Gavin, Janet. Because that's the first he's out there now.
And you know what? He's going to
Gavin?
Jordan, come play with Devin for a minute.
Now I gotta get the 3 monkeys on up there on mine.
Go, Tyler. Jordan, that's far enough.
Where did Joyce go? Oh. Ellie must be going to the...
John Paul.
Hey, Joyce does.
Bye.
Joyce was Ariel.
If anybody thinks
Oh.
they need suntan lotion, I brought some.
Drain all the water.
Oh my God. You know what, guys? Somebody make a big...
Sounds like a little piece of costing one.
It is.
Here you draw it. No, here is the actor. Here is the wheels. And here's the water.